This is my Orlandoo. It is OH35P01 KIT. This kit is not ready to run RC car. You need to assemble it. The version of the part needs to assemble and paint. When you combine the parts, you will have a mini Ford Raptor F150. This is my scale Ford F150 car. We painted it a beautiful yellow color. The RC kit does not contain electronic equipment. You must also have at least a remote control, receiver, escape, motor, servo, and battery. We added the power button to the bottom of the car. We changed it according to our own wishes to charge under it. Thus, we will be able to charge and use without removing the body. The scale is 1/35. Generally the Orlandoo RC kits not including batteries. But some of them include LiPo 2S 7.2V 260 mAh battery. We installed our own battery LiPo 2S 7.2V 500 mAh battery and my own controller. We added our own receiver and transmitter to the car, which is designed as a mini crawler. Although it looks simple, it requires a very demanding and detailed workmanship. We are going to take a test drive shortly. You can get it a real crawler here. A tool that is a bit slow in speed but powerful enough. Of course, its speed and power are my choice. You can modify it as you wish. Let me show you how it works before I test drive it.